All right. Okay. So, as I mentioned, I want to remind everyone that next week is our final week. We will having a physical class, replacement, because Chinese New Year, right? Your slot, I mean, on Monday next week. So we will replace for every group for ECM 578 on Friday. Okay, at 10 a.m. I will remind in the group WhatsApp. So we will be physical at the hall. I will let you know which hall that we will having a class replacement on next week. Okay, clear? So next week will be on what they call revision week. So I will let you know what is the specific topic that you have to focus on. Okay, I will stress during next week. So please come. Okay, those who are not come, okay, don't tell to your friends, okay, on whatever we discuss on that day. Okay, clear? Any questions about next week class? Any questions? Hello? Any questions or not? No. Okay. So before we proceed, what did we learn previous class? What topic is it? What topic is it we learned last week? Last week also a replacement class, right? On Friday, remember? Just recently. So can anyone tell me what is the topic that we learned previous week? I need to do a refresh. Please, we have 19 students here. Hello. Hello. Anyone? Did you attend my class? So what is the topic last week? What did we learn? Class? What did we learn last week? So last week punya topic is a very important. This is one of the question in your final exam and a bit hard. So kalau you tak remember, you don't know what is the topic last week, difficult lah. I don't want to remind. I need an answer from everyone. Who remember? So what is the topic last week? Class, what is the topic last week? I need a feedback from all of you.
Payment procedure.
Payment procedure. Okay, remember payment procedure. Okay, so last week, everything is about the payment in the construction project. Okay, so I hope that you remember what is the difference between private and also there is a procedure payment that they need to follow, okay, because it different project different the way how they done the procedure, because there is a period how many days. Okay, some process is 14 days, 21 days, okay, and so on. All right, so thank you. Those who I remember about the previous topic is a payment procedure. And now we continue for this week topic is about contract closeout and the final payment. So this one when the construction project is finished and done. Okay, why the participant keep reducing? Is it because of the line? Okay, so the learning outcome for this topic is to understand the contract closeout and final payment procedure. Okay, so what is the contract closeout? Of course, it's about the completion of the contract. Okay, related inspection, correction, and acceptance of the work. Okay, so whenever they want to close out the project, they have to make sure that the client accept all the deliverables, okay, that have done by the contractor. Okay, so these are the major element in the closeout process. So you can see here, contractor performance, submittal of all required documentations, okay, contract changes, claim and final quantities delivered, okay, liquidated damages, review of the insurance claim file, settlement of all subcontractors, okay, inspection and cost audit. Okay, so these are the process. Okay, so in order to close a project, to done a project, okay, they have to have the confirmation statement closure, meaning they have done everything. So what they have to do, they come up with a statement, okay, and then the company announcement for contract, okay, and then they have the checklist. Okay, make sure they follow the checklist, okay, and then the acceptance of work that approved by the client, okay, and then they have to review the credibility of the contractor, and then they have the letter, project closure letter, and then review of the contractor, and then fill out the form, and then they said other audit or not. Okay, if they have the audit, they go for the audit, okay, and then check they're ready for the audit. Okay, so if not, they have to go through again, okay, what is the requirement, the report, technical report, and so on. Okay, and if there is any dispute, they have to settle first. Okay, all right, and then they have the audit problems, okay, and then they have to settle everything, whatever maybe related with the payment usually, so they cannot close the project because they have any others payment or claims not yet done. Okay, so they have to settle that things and the final payment confirmation and so on, then they can go for the contract phase closure. Okay, so definition of payments. Advance payments, I think last time I already brief about this one. Okay, about the advance payment, interim payment, final payment. Okay, advance payment usually the contractor requests before the construction project is started. Okay, they ask for the advance payment. Sometime during the progress also they request the advance payment before the next progress. Okay, it depends on the project and also the contractor, either they need the advance payment or not, and depends on the client, either they want to give or provide or not. Okay, and then interim payment is usually the progress payment, and also final payment is the last, okay, when the project is done, including the LDP period, the liquidated damages period is done. Usually LDP is about 1 or 2 years. Okay, and then final account. In order the final account to be formalized, the following condition must be satisfied. Okay, the contractor must fulfill his obligation under the contract. The final measurement and valuation of the execution must have been satisfied by the client. Okay, and all the claim have been done. Okay, and then all the deduction which the client is entitled must have been completed as well. Okay. Okay, best practice is establishing that the contract is completed, contract close out, other checklist, so easy for them to check whatever is the required document they have to complete. Okay, and then the contractor performance report, they must have a report for the future punya reference. Later on we go one by one. Okay, and then proof of insurance coverage, final payment. Okay, contractors general release, warranty and guarantee register. Okay, establishing that a contract is completed. Okay, reviewed. Establishing that work is completed. Okay, so for this one, they need to review means that the contractor already asked the client to to do the inspection for the final inspection to get the approval from the client. So they have the checklist preparation during the inspection. Okay, so it's under the deliverables, okay, that make sure that whatever that stated in the contract that the contractor have to complete have been completed, and they need to be reviewed by the client by inspection. Okay, so they need to have this checklist preparation and then accepted. Okay, mean that they notify the contract administrator that everything have been completed. Okay, after satisfied by the client. Okay, so they need to inspect first. So the checklist of completed contract must contain this item: offer, acceptance, okay, parties involved, okay, subject matter, mature obligation, mature agreement, okay, valuable consideration. So all these checklists that they need to be checked, okay, I mean to be completed. All right, and then a list step required to close out a contract: review contract documentations, schedule of the procedure work documentation created by the contractor, final document, invoice, payment records. Okay, so they have a few files, documentation that approved, okay, by the contractor that this is for this project, and everything what they want to refer have been recorded, okay, or reported, okay, and they save it, okay, in the file, and then issue the certificates, result contractual inspection. So everything that by progress, so they are not inspect at the end of the project, they inspect by progress. Okay, so during final project closeout, okay, closure, usually the checklist is done by checking the document and also to check overall of the structure have done. Okay, and then change order, completed contract audit, and other requirements for the project. Okay, and they have the report. Okay, they must prepare a report. The purpose is to identify the variance from the baseline plans, okay, in terms of the project cost and schedule. So contract closeout report, usually they already have the what they call planning schedule, betul? And then they have the actual project done. Okay, so they must come up with a report. What is their I mean how they deliver the project based on the planning. Okay, so from there they will see the difference, okay, between the planning and also the actual. Is it behind the schedule or ahead the schedule? Everything they have to highlight during this report. Okay, because from there they will see the difference, okay, based on what they are planning and based on the actual achievement for the project. Okay, so for example, the cost as well. Before the planning, the cost is like this, but after the actual, there is so many change order, variation order, and so on. So the price different. Okay, so they have to state either this project is under budget or over budget as well. So everything they have to report under contract closeout report. Okay, and then assess the success of the project, document and document project deliverables. Okay, articulates methods for improvement. Okay, whatever they improvise during the actual deliverables, okay, so they have to mention here. And then formulate lesson learned and best practice from feedback. Okay, so it's good to have this part. Okay, so they will learn. All right, so why is it important as a reference, okay, for the future project? Yes, and then to develop ways a streamlined tasks to improve, okay, the efficiency for the future project and better allocation resources, okay, by using the existing data or report. Okay, so this one usually the project manager have to prepare. So it's not easy to become as a project manager. You have to prepare a very comprehensive report. Okay, and next, It's about the contractor performance report. Okay, this is a consistently superior contractor performance report may lead for more tendering opportunity for the contractor in the future projects. Okay, so the contractor performance is evaluated based on pre-construction, okay, construction, administration, safety and quality, and also the completion time. They have this data or details, okay. So, for the contractor performance mean that how this contractor have done the project, okay. So they must have all these report. Okay, so pre-construction, they already provide this. These are all the documents, okay, that they have to prepare. The insurance and performance bonds, okay, for the project. Okay, work program, method statement, specifically for that project, okay, and then quality plan, organization chart, okay, CIDB Levi, okay, and also Dodge registration. This one they can get a privilege, if they are having a project, so they can get this. They must register under Dodge as well to inform that they have a project to be constructed. Okay, and then during construction, how they done the administration, safety, and also quality. So everything must be recorded. Okay, the time, the sufficient workforce, supervision. Okay, the management, how they conduct. I mean the project. Okay, and then the quality reports and also the instruction by the superintendent officer, and the safety. How is their safety management have been done, and also the quality management system at that project, and then completion time. This is what they have to highlight: ahead, on time, or delay. Okay, that one is a very important. Okay, and then proof of insurance coverage. This one they have to provide. Okay, example of insurance is a commercial general liability, professional liability, commercial auto insurance, assets liability, umbrella insurance, bond insurance. So this is the insurance for the project. If anything happened, they must have the insurance in anything. Okay, so they must inform the client that they have the protection for the project. Okay, final payment. Who responsible is a contract administrator. Okay, so final account is a process calculating at any adjustment, the contract sum, and the amount of final payment that they have to identify. Okay, and then the process, this one, once they already deduct everything, complete the claims, complete anything that pending payment. Okay, and they have done calculation and everything, then they can identify or calculate how much is the final payment for the contractor. Okay, so this one, they already final account. Okay, after done final account, then they have the final certificate to make a final payment. Okay, so before proceed with the payment, okay, to payment, okay, so make sure all the administrative are done. Okay, make sure the contract closeout checklist is done as well, and the inspection performed already, and all the memorandum from the project manager have been completed. Okay, and then the contractor's general release, okay, must be a standard statement, okay, prepared by grantees legal counsel. Okay, must contain certificate, proof of contractor paid the subcontractor. Okay, this one, they have to be clear that the contractor already paid, okay, the subcontractor and all the suppliers. Okay, why? Because later on, if they want to make a final payment, but if the contractor not yet done in this payment, okay, for their subcontractor or supplier, worried later on these stakeholders, I mean the subcontractor and supplier, will get back to the client, okay, to get the payment because the contractor didn't pay them. Okay, so the client must see all the proof of payment certificate from the contractor that they have done, okay, the settlement with the subcontractor and supplier. Okay, so to avoid there is a conflict later on about payment. Okay, final contract amount agreed by both parties. Okay, signed by corporate for official authorized. And then the flow is, okay, general release need to be done before final payment, assure guarantee, future claims, okay. Any changes must be reviewed. Okay, and then they have solved everything, okay, about the financial. Okay. So general release form, this one to make sure that they are done everything, okay? So problem of contractor who quit work. Possible reason is because of the contractor less of financial, yes. Contractor being awarded with another contract, okay, that's why they want to quit. Contractor have a problem with the client miscommunication and contractor fail to perform in a timely manner. So these are the reason why the contractor sometimes quit, okay, before the project closure. Okay, so these are the reason, possible reason. Okay, sometimes sometimes the contractor can't wait also, so they just ignore the performance bond, they just ignore the final payment, but they are quick because they can't wait to get another job. Okay, so sometimes they just quit. They already calculate, oh, this one, if I didn't get it, because they already earn whatever the profit they already get, but they have no big loss on that waiting for the final payment and so on, so they just quit. This one also happened. Okay, so what is the warranty and guarantee registered? This one they must highlight during project closeout. Can anyone tell me? Okay, I want to ask all of you, why we need the warranty and guarantee registered in a construction project? Is it warranty and guarantee for the building or what? So why we need this thing? What is the purpose? Anyone? What is the purpose of warranty and guarantee register in a construction project, in a building? Can anyone tell me for what? Kenapa kena ada benda ni? Why they need to know? Ada sesiapa boleh jawab? Siapa yang jawab means you really understand about the construction industry. Ada siapa nak try? It's okay. If wrong also it's okay. We learn. Ada siapa nak try? Kenapa kita perlukan perlu tahu pasal warranty and guarantee register ni? Why the contractor must provide this thing whenever they want to do the project closure or project close out? Untuk apa? Kat mana you dengar perkataan warranty guarantee? Anyone, please? I need a feedback. Dalam banyak-banyak tadi I cakap baru je this time I nak tanya you. So make sure you ready for 2 questions before we end the class. The faster you ask a question, the more fast we end the class. Okay? So please answer me. Dekat mana you pernah dengar warranty and guarantee term? Pernah dengar tak?
Beli barang.
Pernah dengar? Warranty pernah dengar?
Pernah.
Okay. Where? I believe semua orang pernah dengar. So dekat mana you dengar?
Masa beli barang.
Okay. Masa beli barang. So what does it mean? Okay, when you buy something, barang apa yang selalu ada warranty ni? Tak semua barang kan? You beli tepung ada ke? If you buy a rice ada warranty ke? If you buy a grocery things ada warranty ke?
Barang elektrik.
Barang elektrik. Okay, good. Alright, so what is related to the building or construction project? Tadi you cakap when you buy electric stuff, kan? So apa related dengan construction project? Anyone? Siapa nak try? Building tu barang elektrik ke? Structure tu elektrik ke? So who wanna try to answer? Why they need to come up with this warranty and guarantee register? It's part of the requirement before they hand over the project or final project closeout. They must inform about the warranty and guarantee registered ni. Maksudnya the list of that lah. Okay. So, anyone? Okay, betul tu yang you cakap tu. So, try to relate about the construction project. So, kenapa kena ada warranty ni? Cuba baca tu. Each individual item of equipment and system pertinent section in the contract specification, name of the company that provide the warranty, expiration date of the warranty, address of providing company. Tengok list-list ni. So, apa related dia? Cepat. Think. Ada siapa nak try? So, kenapa dalam construction project closeout ni kena think about this warranty and guarantee register ni? Cepatlah. Your friend yes.
Saya rasa sebab nak pastikan material yang diguna tu macam berkualiti gitu.
Tak. Okay, salah. Okay, good try. Alisa, thank you for your try. But it's not. Macam I cakap tadi, you beli apa orang kata, beli barang grocery ada ke warranty? Tak ada kan? Tapi ada part juga yang pasal material tu, but not all, okay? But almost close, but it's not. Okay, thank you Alisa. Okay, lain? Siapa nak try lagi? You cuba fikir dalam building tu ada apa? Kalau you buat mall, kalau you buat high rise building, ada apa? Ni kadang my student they don't understand what is a construction project. Okay, they don't know what you want to build. Cuba you guys think ada apa dalam bangunan tu? You kena install apa?
Cooling system.
Sorry, apa?
Cooling system.
Cooling system. Dia pakai apa?
Cooling tower.
Cooling tower. Okay, lagi? Benda-benda macam tu lagi? Anything else?
Chiller.
Chiller lagi? Selain daripada tu yang besar sangat, you fikir lagi. Apa benda lagi dalam building? Okay, benda-benda yang mechanical, betul? Okay. Benda-benda yang dikeluarkan oleh factory. Apa lagi? Dalam building ada apa lagi? Your friend dah bagi example dah. Lagi?
Elevator.
Elevator. Elevator tu apa? Tangga bergerak tu, betul? Lagi? Bukan, elevator tu apa? Elevator.
Lift.
Elevator tu apa? Lift. Okay, lagi tangga bergerak apa?
Escalator.
Escalator. So benda-benda ni adalah equipment, system, betul tak? Agree? Agree or not?
Agree.
Okay. So what happened with this equipment and system? This equipment and system, of course, dia ada warranty. Betul? Daripada factory. And also, they need to be registered, means that these are the item or system equipment that have been installed in that building. Then dia kena list out kan? So, dia kena tahulah apa dia punya nama company tu. Sebab nanti in the future, bila diorang nak buat facility management, during operation and maintenance, they know when the expiry date. So, they can make a contact, okay, within 2 years ke, whatever is it, okay, the warranty, and where is the company provider tu. Okay, siapa yang provide that things. Faham tak? So benda ni important Kalau dia tak registered kat, tak list kan, do you think easy for them to, for the client or for the operator to proceed with the operation and maintenance? Betul tak? Agree kelas? Faham?
Faham.
Faham Okay, so tolong tahu dekat building bukannya konkret je So kita ada banyak barang-barang elektrik yang lain, okay? Mechanical yang lain, sistem macam tadi your friend cakap, elevator, escalator, and it could be more other than that. air cooling and anything that from the factory. Benda-benda ni semua ada warranty and guarantee. Okay. So what is the difference between warranty and guarantee? Pernah dengar ke guarantee? Pernah dengar item guarantee? Okay, warranty. Banyak dia cakap validity ni apa, product only, product and service guarantee person. Okay, cost need to pay free of cost. Okay, refund, money back is not possible. Okay. Ramai orang cakap warranty and guarantee. Warranty biasanya ada period, betul? Bila you kena dapat warranty lah. Okay, macam barang elektrik. Guarantee ni maksudnya the company, I mean the facturer, okay, the manufacturer, they make sure that this system is function. For example, like kalau dia jual TV, okay, they make sure that TV tu guarantee keluar gambar whatever, ada audio, ada, that is a guarantee. Okay, to make sure that the product is work as according to whatever they offer. That is a guarantee. Warranty is a period for them to make sure that there is a what they call confirmation. Okay, within 1 year. Okay, if anything, kalau contoh you beli washing machine kan, barang apa, dia punya motor ke whatever, kalau rosak dia boleh replace. Okay, but if other than that, dia takkan layan. Okay, contoh dented ke whatever ke, sebab tu mistake masa dia guna. Okay, so kalau whatever yang under factoring punya fault or flaws, okay, during dia punya production, yang tu dia boleh dapat warranty. Okay, that is the difference. So guarantee is already they confirm that the things will be working according to what they offer. Warranty is the period for them to see when they using the items, okay, that there is a flaws during the production that they can replace with the new item. Okay, something like that. Faham? Faham tak kelas? Faham So that is the difference. Okay, so in the construction project, we have in the building this equipment and also systems. So almost similar whatever we bought the electrical items. So this one also they have to make sure they're being registered and they listed, so that a reference for the client, okay, for their operation and maintenance stage later on. Okay, clear. So that's all I think for this topic. Okay, we already go through all the slide and about the project closure and also final payment. So any question, class, before we end it? Please, I need 2 questions from you. Anything, at least question. I need you to communicate. Thank you to those who are respond to my questions. Okay, and the rest, please. Soalan? Kalau tak soal, saya tak stop. Any question, whatever is it. Cepatlah. Dah lah dengan you all ni kelas kita limited replacement and only banyak online kan. Physical berapa kali kita jumpa? Sekali je. Ya Allah. Serius one time only. Okay, itu pun siapa yang datang kan physical. Rasa ramai yang tak datang, tak silap kan. Okay, so please, questions. You 7A berapa? 7A berapa?
7A7.
7A7. Okay. Please take care. You punya apa orang kata, kalau tak ada apa-apa you kena tanya maksud I sebab kita jarang physical. So banyak yang I treat physical class different dengan online sebab physical I banyak tanya soalan. So all of them will answer the questions one by one. Okay. So macam you online, I tak ada peluang tu. Takkan nak tanya seorang-seorang macam tak nampak kan. So and ramai yang tak join juga. That's the thing. Okay, so question please. I'm waiting because there's the rules. Remember, I think I make it a rules kan. At least 2 questions before we ended the class. That is my class rule. So tolong tanya soalan. Tak kisah. In anything. Cepat. Cepatlah kelas. Dah last week dah ni. Tak ada siapa-siapa nak tanya. Kalau tak I mark your class ni 7A7 tak ada tanya soalan. So I tak akan bagi. Tak ada bagi markah kesian ke whatever ke, tak ada. 7A7 your commitment dalam kelas tak ada. Anyone? Hello. Hello.
Betul.
Ya, Syami.
Biasa kalau warranty and guarantee ni dia ada dekat dalam report ke macam ni? Oh, how?
Okay. So, you cakap report whatever tu Okay, biasanya registered warranty guarantee ni, actually they have the document, final document to be hand over to the client. Okay, so everything that the information yang they need, okay, for the operation and maintenance, they will hand over. Before, dia tak ada safety and health files tau. Tapi in the future, once the OSHIM, the Code Occupational Safety and Health in a construction management being regulated, dengan file safety and health pun dia kena letak, kena bagi. So dia ada dalam another document untuk hand over kepada client. Kind of like a report lah, tapi dia bukan report, dia checklist document. Okay, thank you, good. Next. So tu information yang ONM dia panggil Operation and Maintenance Operator akan refer nanti. Jadi kan. Even kalau high rise building pun macam the color coding macam cat warna apa, materials apa kan, sebab nanti kalau diorang nak renovate whatever, bukan renovate, macam nak refurbish ke whatever, atau nak kena replace materials tu, contoh cat, kalau cat dah rosak apa semua, dia nak cat balik kod yang sama. So dia kena ada information tu. Tahu So banyak high rise building kadang dia strata title, dia tak boleh cat color lain. You must painting with the same color. So client dia nak benda tu. Owner of the house pun dia nak that color code tu. So dia akan tanyalah color coding apa brand apa. Semua tu kena ada report. Okay, kena ada dalam list. Okay, lagi? Soalan lagi satu. Last. Thank you, Syami. Okay, next. Anything you boleh tanya apa-apa pun. I nak you communicate. Tu je. Yes.
Warranty dengan guarantee ni
Tak dengar.
relate dengan quality inspection ataupun quality control ke?
Yang mana?
Guarantee dengan warranty.
Guarantee dengan warranty ni. Kenapa? Dia sama dengan?
Dia ada relate dengan quality inspection ke?
Oh.
Ataupun quality control.
Okay, faham. Alright. Okay, dia bukan relate. Okay, it's another different things. Okay, thank you for the questions. Okay, kalau quality inspection ke whatever tu, dia secara semua, termasuk dia punya structure, okay, termasuk finishing, termasuk dengan cara nak install whatever system tu, dia adalah part of it, but it's a different things that you have to provide. Okay, quality inspection tu semua dia akan cover semua. Okay, untuk warranty guarantee ni biasanya untuk system, equipment, electrical and also whatever being installed inside the building. Okay, dia dua benda yang berbeza. Tapi dia part of the under quality as well, sebab of course dia nak kena check benda ni function ke, benda ni working as per offer by the factory ke. Dia part of it, but there is another benda yang diorang kena prepare lah, the document for the equipment system ni. Okay, clear? Thank you. Alright, so ada apa-apa lagi soalan? Kalau tak ada, then we end our class and we see physical on next Friday, okay? Boleh? Boleh?
Boleh.
Okay. Okay, bye. Assalamualaikum. See you guys physical next week at 10 a.m. Okay? Thank you very much. Thank you, class.
Thank you, Dr.
Bye.
Thank you, Doktor.
Salam.